I want to turn to this story. There are more than 650,000 adults here in Arizona, if you can believe it, who do not have a high school diploma. But now there is a new pathway for people to get that diploma, and you can do it at your own pace.
We wanted to let you know there is help out there, and 12 News journalist Troy Lynch is joining us to tell us all about it. Troy, this program, it's really cool. It almost seems too good to be true, but you're telling us it's reality.
Dreams do come true, Emily and Allison.
We like that.
I want you to know that. And also, it's so easy. And then you also have to check out the website right here. The first graduate actually said he got enrolled and signed up within 2 days. This is the website. All you have to do is really Google Arizona Excel High School, and there are only a few different criteria in order to enroll. You have to be over 21, you have to live in Arizona, and you also have to not have a high school diploma.
I actually graduated from a charter school in 2000, or I thought I did.
Casa Grande's Dean Cassidy went through most of his life thinking he was a high school grad, but it didn't really affect him when he applied for jobs.
They keep saying they can't verify that. I get a hold of the Department of Education. They're like, we don't have any record of you graduating.
Turns out Dean's graduation records were lost because his charter school was sold multiple times, and Dean unknowingly was a part of the 11% of Arizonan adults who don't have a high school diploma.
Even though I'd taken college courses, University of Phoenix, got a diploma from them, they were like, nope, you don't have a high school diploma.
So Dean did some Googling, found Excel High School, and was enrolled 2 days later.
I thought at first, this is too good to be true.
This program is a self-paced, it's built for adults. There's coaching, there's academic coaches.
This online high school was brought to Arizona by the Workforce Diploma Program through the Arizona Department of Education in April, giving Arizonans over 21 years old a chance to earn a free accredited high school diploma at their own pace.
They can do it at midnight, they can do it at 5 a.m., they can do it anytime they want. Most of our students are full-time working people, or they have families.
Diana Detzel, a spokesperson for the program, says the state benefits tremendously as more adults get a high school diploma.
A high school dropout costs taxpayers like $575,000 over their lifetime.
Dean was the first to graduate from Excel High School in Arizona. 7 more have followed his lead, and 75 are currently enrolled. How does it feel to be a high school grad?
It's awesome. It's awesome.
Now, if you're interested in the program, jump on it fast because the funding for the program lasts through the end of June 2025, and it normally takes people about 7 months to graduate. But Allison and Emily, since you can go at your own pace, Dean, he is such an overachiever. He finished the required 21.5 credits in 1 month.
One month?
What?
Can you believe that?
Yikes.
I'm trying to think back to my schooling. I could not do that in 1 month.
No.
He's so dedicated. And
Yeah.
We just love that. Congratulations to him on getting that diploma. And I can guess this would really benefit people who are working full time, Troy.
Yeah, and Diana said that most of the people that enroll, they're working full-time or they have families. So they're very busy people, but there are benefits to doing this while having a family. Dean actually has a 12-year-old that used to get bad grades, but then saw his dad go back to school, started taking classes, and was kind of joining him online. And sometimes they'd take classes together, and now his son's A's and B's students. So really cool that they all kind of just got together and did it together.
Well, you never know who you're inspiring, right, around you when you're going for your dreams. So
I might go back.
That. I think you have your high school diploma.
I know.
But okay. No, that was really cool. Troy, thank you so much. And you can find more about this program online a little bit later if you're interested.